So I think you are all ready for the maths revision today. As we already discussed yesterday about that, yes. Already we discussed that. 2 days revision will be given this time. Today full about powers and exponents. Tomorrow about squares and square roots. Then we will, as usual, continue from our next week, our chapter playing with numbers where we are. Okay. Bandwidth is low. My bandwidth is okay only, Trinity. You check. Now, regarding the powers and exponents exercise. Now, did you revise properly yesterday? Any doubts? All the powers and exponents wherever we are having, it may be 1 marks, 2 marks, or about the 3 marks. You have to use the laws of exponents only and should solve. Okay? We should use laws of exponents and you should solve in a step-by-step manner only. Direct, if you write the answer for 3 marks, if something you are getting 36, solving somewhere else and writing only question number 8, 36 if you write, definitely this time I am not going to give any marks. 3 marks question and all, you are writing only one number as an answer. Why? Why we must give for that number itself 3 marks? No one will do that. Even 10th standard, you need steps. When you move to whichever class, max, 2 marks, minimum 2 steps. Question to write, then brackets or something, whatever it is to solve, then to get step by step. So 2 marks. 3 marks also step by step. Only fill in the blanks, you can write only direct answer. Fill in the blanks 1 or 2. If directly, if I ask exponential form, you can write like this if you are getting the answer. If I ask find the value, if I ask, it means that I want the value. You must write like this. When you get like this, you should not leave the question. This is exponential form of number. If in the question, simplify and express in the exponential form, it is correct. If in the question, it is asked to find the value, this should be 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. This is known as finding the value. So, like that way you should do. Yes. Evaluate question and all, no need to write. If evaluate is there, no need to write shakily. I mean question means I mean the number. The number, something is there along with something. This is called question. To write only and to solve. Otherwise, children are simply writing 125, 346, 3076, something, whatever you want. So this time, definitely, I am going to see that. Steps are a must. Understand the marks, no. 2 marks. We are fools to give for 2 marks. If you write number 3, I will give 2 marks, what? You have to tell how you got this. Simply nobody will give. I will round it and will go. That's all. For many I did, even for lower classes also. 6th and all I did like that only. Simply they wrote 4,300. What 4,300? What is that? Number by number to do. Rounding off. Then should get. Same thing for you all. Understood. Now let us do some revision thing. For example, just 1 marks revision first. Because many 1 marks and 2 marks are only there. Okay. According to the laws of exponents only, many will come. Now any number, anything to the power of 0 is what? Type. Anything, a power 0, b power 0, z power 0. The value is always 1. Okay? So the power, if it is 0 in case of powers and exponents. Same thing in powers and exponents. If a power 1, it is a power 1 only. It is a. That is different. Okay? Anything to the power of 0, that is this. Same thing what I wanted to tell. Same thing is multiplicative inverse. For example, let us take this number. Okay. What is the multiplicative inverse of this number? We discussed in the class. We have the thing. What is that? Tell me. Let me see whether you know. Multiplicative inverse of this number is 75 power minus 2. Now it is not possible for you to type. I know that. Here shouldn't put 75. So for the power. In powers and exponents chapter, the power positive becomes negative, negative becomes positive. What Arjun? What 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 something and all typing? What ma? If the power is negative, if I'm asking what is the multiplicative inverse, for minus you should write plus. If I give this, you should do this. If I give positive, you should do negative. So the opposite sign of the power to change, power sign to change, that is what you mean by multiplicative inverse. First chapter we have seen additive inverse. Now we don't have that. Reciprocal, you know that. Writing the reverse, that is the reciprocal. When all laws of exponents are important. For example, a power 4 multiplied by a power 3. Same a power 4 divides a power 3. Same a power 4. My own example this is. Don't copy anything. I am not giving any test this one regarding this. I am just telling for you. Don't copy. A power, if the multiplication symbol is there, these and all we already taught long back. So giving a recap. Multiplication symbol is there. It means powers need to be added. 4 plus 3 is 7. Same thing if the base are similar, powers are like this. Division symbol is there. Minus 4 minus 3, 1. This is exponential form. Same thing, value means a into a into a. Number means the number to multiply and write. 4 3s are 12. If the bracket is there, the powers need to be multiplied. Like this, I can ask anyone, if you know the laws of exponents, I can ask any number in the question paper. Like this, like this, like this, or any other law. All laws of exponents I will change and will ask by giving the numbers. This is the general information about the chapter I am telling. These are all 1 marks possibilities. Any laws will come. Then without finding the squares. Okay. Like this, many review questions were there. Let me go to the reviews. Finding the values are there. Negative powers means to bring like positive powers. Let us see one simplification. Yes. Start writing. Start writing, ma. I have already selected the question and all. In my notebook, I have written and kept. Don't search anywhere. You don't have anywhere. You have to do and show me. Now, with your videos on. 2 marks question. Simplify. 5 power minus 8, the whole power 3, 5 power minus 3, the whole power minus 5. Simplify and write in exponential form. Exponential form only. Yes, second exercise. Express as an integer. Express as an integer. You should express this number as an integer. For this, First write the number, then write directly the answer. First this question to write, then to write. For this also, first question to copy. Question means this numbers. To copy, then solve. Fazil, solve both the sums, then show me. Solve both the sums, pa, then show me. Yes. Afzal Raja. Yes, correct. Second thing, very tiny handwriting. Good. Okay. Yes, sure. Both the sums together, Arjun. First sum, second sum, don't say. Correct. Afzal Raja, correct, pa. Star. First 5. Afzal. Yes. 19. 5 power something. First, this is wrong. First question is wrong, Fazil. It looks wrong only. The answer, some other thing you are showing. Check properly. I am not able to on the camera. What to do, Dhanumalia? What I can do for that? Allow me to on the video. Arjun. Yes, ma, allowed only, no? Video, just press it 1. Video always allowed. Audio only. Host is not allowing. Kavita, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
It is
Videos, we are not
disabled
doing
now.
anything, ma'am.
Doing,
Lakshmi,
yeah.
ma'am.
Videos, okay,
They
thank
can
you.
on as usual.
Yeah, that's what. Thank you. Videos you can on at any time. Host is not touching. Arjun, correct. Ashida, no. Ashida, wrong. Answer wrong, ma. Videos you can on. Shivanuja. Shivanuja, yes, correct. Only 5 names I will write. Then I will go to the answers, ma. Fazil, yes, good. Now you have changed. Second sum, show me, Fazil. Second one I couldn't see properly in my mobile. Yes, still more nicely show, Fazil. Second answer, show me. Answer. No. Yes. Even though many are showing, yes, Sheikh Ali. Sheikh Ali, first answer, yes, move. Yes. Okay. Remaining all very good. I will check, but Salvi Angeline, good. First sum only I could see. Amendinian, yes, correct. Second sum, show me properly. First sum showing pa. Amendinian and Salvia, show the second thing. Ashida, correct. Ashida, now you changed, I think so, correct. Next. Amendinian, correct. Correct. Next. Ashida, yes, correct. Salvia. Yes, Salvia. 1-0 you striked also in the last. Tanishka, this is. Okay, correct. Princeton. Okay. Tanishka J. Varnika, correct. Tanishka J, yes, correct. John Emil, show properly. Like this and all we cannot view. 8th standard you have come still now. Shaking fan, that this is showing. John Emil still now the same thing. Show like Karthik how he is showing. Super. Karthik Pandian, see how he is showing. Like that should be. Switch camera option is there. Press that and show. Yes, Harsha. Very good, Harsha. Keep your notebook straight, Harsha. I have to see like this what. John Emil, okay, but I couldn't see properly. Karthik Pandian, yes, correct, ma. Darshini. Darshini, room full rounding. Okay, now, not to waste the time. Caleb, something you wanted to show. Darshini. Okay, okay. Okay, now. Good, good. Now take out your pencil and if my answer, check with your answer and please put a tick with your pencil. Yes, Caleb did something. Okay, boy. Okay, let us see now. Simplify. My 5 power minus 8, the whole power 3. First question I am doing. The first question to write. Second step is what I am writing. Okay, shortage of space. So, 8 3s are 24. 5 power minus 24. Multiplication symbol. 5 power. 3 5s are 15. Minus into minus plus 15. 1 is minus 24. 1 is plus 15. These both are 5 as the base. 5 as the base. Minus 24 plus 15 to write together. Step by step only should be doing. First question to write. Second step this. Third step is to write this numerator with the common base. Now to write. After this down only should write. But here I am writing. For mobile view I am doing like that. 24 minus 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 9. What 9? Minus 9. Because it is negative. Exponential form. This one is not the standard form. We have to write 1 by 5 power 9. 1 by. Even if you write like this, I will give you marks. 5 power minus 9. For that, I will give full marks. But still learn that this is the standard form. Negative is not the standard. 1 by 5 power 9. This is the exponential as well as the standard form of the rational number. After simplification, you must get this. If it is so, put a tick with your pencil. Star kids, those who showed me in the first itself with the correct answer. Afsal, Arjun, Shivanuja, Fazil, Shekali. Very good. Many of you showed, but still. Express as an integer, very, very easy. First, this step, the question to write. Second step, this is multiplication. So I must jump to the right. I means the point must jump to the right side. So first write the question. Then the point must jump to the right side by 6 places. 1, 2. 2 places are only here. 2 numbers are here. Remaining 6 minus 2 jump 4 is needed. So 4 numbers are needed. This is an integer. It shouldn't have any point. Express as an integer means it must be a whole number. So this point will go. Yes, Trinity. Positive to negative, negative to positive must understand. I told already. 6 minus 2 jumps, 4 jumps. So 4 0. So these type of some other questions will come. Yes, then square roots chapter tomorrow we planned. So let us this. Express in scientific notation, very important. Without this, the question paper won't be. Decimals, integers, scientific notation. These all comes under powers and exponents chapter only. Yes. Two sums. Nine comma 62 comma 000. Expresses the number. Express the number in scientific notation. B1 0.1 2 3 4 5 5 zeros are there. Five. Little bit I'm changing. Review समय even if I give I will change. That is the reason. Do both the sums, then keep your videos on and show me. Okay. Yes. Super. 9 point. I finished. Camera not working. Leave it in Duja. Camera not working. I cannot do anything. Leave it. Just take your pencil and check by yourself when I give. Yes, I'm checking, ma. This is who's this? Afzal Raja correct? Sanjana correct? This is 9.5. Okay. Fazil Ahmad. Yes, he is showing so nicely. Clearly show like that. Be some show Fazil. Princeton. Yes. Princeton 9.66. Why you wrote, ma? This is 5, da. You are not understanding my 5, no? This is 5. Simply I round. Sometimes I used to write like this. That this is 5. That is not 6. 6 somebody wrote. 2, 3 children. This is 6. Can you see mine? I can see everybody's Deepshika. Super. Amandini and yes. Sheikh Ali, yes. 10 power right pa, Sheikh Ali. Multiplication power -6. No, where is the 10? 10 show me. Who is showing reverse? Ashida, keep your notebook straight. Amandini and good. Keep your notebook straight. Ashida. Karthik Pandian. Trinity. Yes. Arjun. Yes. In a hurry, forgotten. What in a hurry? Yes. Shivanuja, yes. 9.5 to 10. I could see everybody is there. Tanishka J. Tanishka J, 000, no need to write for the A sum. 1 decimal will do, ma. Shamira, correct, ra? Good. I'm checking whether all are showing or not. Caleb. Yes. It may be wrong, it may be correct. I want everybody to show. Karthik Pandian, Kanishka, Sheikh Ali, Janice Nixon, what you are doing? Induja Bhaskaran. Yes, my Induja, you are showing, but it is very, very dark in your room, I think so. Shivanuja, Trinity showed, Ashida showing, Kanishka showing, Fazal Afzal, Sanjana Amaldinian showed, Darshini, Dhanumalia, camera problem. Darshini, I don't know what is the problem. Okay, Dhanumalia, it's okay. Then who are the others? Kasturi Mahadevan. What happened? Nowadays he is not answering. Surender, Rahul Ranjan. Spreading body is called vector. Trinity, science answer, don't give here. Amrita. Ilandevan, Giona, Rimsha, Deepshika. Stop chatting, Trinity. Rashika Fatima, Tamilinian, Rizwana Begum, Hassan, Sailesh Aditya, Nuha Varda, Safa Mariam, Janas Ebenezer. These children are sleeping. Kalanidhi, Govi Ratan, Mahesh, Dushani, Rajeshwar. Kanishka showed me, I know. I am noticing that also. Who is following the class, who is showing. Marks also will come according to that only. Shamira good, Salvia good. Salvia, make your pencil or pen dark, ma. Every time I say that. Make it dark. Swaminathan, yes. Yes, yes. No need to tell I showed. I know that. Good, good, good. Very good. Now listen. First I take my test mark because I did not attend. Marks and all I don't know. Later on only can see. Now only revision. Okay, okay now. 9, 62, 000. If I want in scientific notation, then what to do is equal to, first to write this. Then I should keep a decimal point. From the last I need to travel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Before 5 numbers, this integer I want. 9 point. Many times I told, after the first number, the point will come. And then to copy this 6, 2 to copy, zeros no need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers before that we traveled. So 9.62 into 10 power 5. We are traveling from the last towards here and stopping here. 9.62 into 10 power 5. This is called as scientific notation for this integer. Now, if it is a decimal point, if the decimal point is there, then what will happen? When I do for this, we have to write that in such a way that the point moves here and one number we must get here. So it jumps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 jumps it is taking and it is coming and sitting here after the 9 point. Like this to write. We should leave one integer and then a point, then the remaining. So how many jumps we have taken? We are moving from left to right. So 10 power minus. Because we are dividing. That is the meaning. That is the reason we write 3 plus 3, 6. 6 jumps in a negative way. This way many times I taught you. Again now revision time I am telling you. When we move from left to right, this to this 0, 0, 0 if it is there, and if we are moving, it means that negative power. When we are coming from the last towards this end, then positive. Remember that simple thing. And always leave one integer and keep a point, one integer because the formula itself is like that. Okay? Here only one thing, one integer is allowed. Then a point, then a number, then like this way to write. It carries mark. Like this question compulsory is there. These and all type of 1 mark. All type of simplification using powers of exponents, laws. Okay? 2 sums if I give, 3 marks I will give. Sometimes 2 marks. 1 mark, sometimes 3 marks. I don't know that and all. But these all, it is according to where I am covering. If I am covering in 2 marks, 1 plus 1. If I'm covering in 3 marks, 1.5 plus 1.5. So any type of simplification will come. If the power is negative, take it denominator and make it positive. Simple questions only will be, okay, everything to write as powers and to do. For example, if a number, for example, 4 power 3, okay, divide 16. If I give and ask the answer in the exponential form, you should write in exponential only. So 4 power 3 divides, what is this 16? 4 power what? 4 4s are 16. So 4 power 2. What is 4 power 3? 4 power 2, 4 power 3 minus 2, 4 power 1. This is the exponential form. Answer for this. Don't write 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, 64 divides 16. Okay, exponential form according to laws of exponents we are solving. Surender Angurajan. What is that you showed that you are giving so many namaskar? What is that? You show your notebook to me. Show your notebook. Keep your video on and show. Sridhar's brother only, no? Will be like Sridhar only. Show me now. Keep your video on and show me your notebook now. I want to see that. Understood? Exponential form of numbers. These type of things can be there. That's all.